welcome back to the channel. Steve and I travel in our DIY truck camper to explore the Sawtooth Mountains in Idaho. The Sawtooth National Forest was created back in 1905 by President Teddy Roosevelt. The Sawtooth Range is a mountain range in central Idaho, also known as the Gem of Idaho, and its highest peak is Thompson Peak at 10,751 feet. Plus, there are 56 additional 10,000-foot peaks and another 77 between 9,000 and 10,000 feet high. That is a lot of mountains to cover. But for us, we are just going to go to one area this week. It's called Deer Creek, so come along and explore with us. We proceeded about 10 miles from Hailey along Deer Creek Road. It was nice to see different scenery with the gold and orange colors starting to pop up. And I was very excited to see so much color firsthand. I found out that there was dispersed camping in this area. However, I was completely unaware of how it was set up or how many site options we would find. Turns out camping is only in designated areas. They are numbered sites. We saw 1 through 17, maybe 18 along the stretch of road, and maybe half of those were along the creek side. A few were located in a campground not on my Onyx off-road map called Jolly Walton. It had no amenities and looked mostly unused, probably because it was not next to the creek. So there's much better options. If you see the campground, just keep going. There definitely was no cell service shortly after leaving town, placing you anywhere from 3 to 10 miles away from getting back in range. If you're pulling a trailer, there were several of the dispersed sites that were definitely large enough for a large trailer or even a fifth wheel, including our site number 11. There are several trailheads to be found along Deer Creek. We drove down and explored 3 of the different roads, with the first one being Wolftone. Wolftone was the prettiest drive in regards to amount of fall color. All of them eventually transitioned to a single track trail for bike, ATV, hiking, or horseback riding. The North Fork of Deer Creek was a shorter drive down, and the trailhead had room for trailers, plus had a vault toilet. This is where we're camping.
Where we're camping.
And then we went on Wolftone Creek Road. And currently we're at the North Fork Deer Creek Trailhead. Our last road to explore was Panther Gulch. It travels a ways before ascending up the mountain. And before the ascent, there's actually a sizable clearing suitable for camping, which even included a fresh water trough. We did drive the rest of the way to the top of the mountain and enjoy a few stunning views.
Here I stand, I know I walked away, had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
Lumberjack Steve over there. I'm going to go cook dinner, and then we're going to sit down and have a campfire on our last night here at Deer Creek. Okay, so here's the camping recommendation. Given that we visited in September and it was mostly quiet, not crowded, we're not sure if it gets more crowded than this, but we do highly recommend it. We greatly enjoyed being able to turn off our phones and just enjoy our surroundings.
You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go.
Until next week, thank you for joining us and checking out our custom camper and travels. Click the thumbs up if you like the video, and please give us a comment down below. We love hearing from you, especially getting questions on the rig. We definitely appreciate our growing subscriber base and interacting with like-minded RVers and do-it-yourselfers. So don't forget to click the subscribe button to continue following our rig projects, repairs, and updates along with our somewhat meandering travels. We are here to share and inspire others who are building and traveling in RVs. Check us out next week with more Idaho camping coming up. We hope to see you out on the road, and good luck with your working and exploring.